Hey everyone, welcome to another Emerson's Diecast video. Today in front of me I have a bunch of new Matchbox cars. They might not be the newest, but to me they're fairly new. But yeah, I have 5 cars today and I wanted to make this video. It's just Matchbox today. Let's start off with this Mazda, and this is the Mazda 2019 Mazda 3. I think it's a really cool looking car. The thing is, it shows that it has black rims on the picture, but it has silver. This car would look so much better if these were black, so I might use a Sharpie and just do that. But yeah, let's open it up. Okay, here's the car. So this is actually my first 2019 Mazda 3 I have in my collection. It's kind of interesting what they did here. The little visor thing, I don't know if you can see that, is part of the window piece. It's not a visor, it's like a, I forget. Comment below if you remember what this is. It's like the thing, it's not a wing, but yeah, that's interesting. I think it's a great car and it'll be good for like traffic in my diorama. I'm redesigning my diorama right now, so I might have some diorama videos out. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. So let's see, I'm gonna go with the 2020 Land Rover Defender 90. So this is a really cool casting in my opinion. It's unlike any other ones that I've seen. I don't see a lot of Land Rovers out, and yeah, let's open it up. Here it is. It's not a very heavy casting, but they did a lot of detail. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the taillights have a lot of detail. This whole black top, that's the plastic part, and then the base is plastic and this piece right here. So it's not very heavy, but I think it's really cool. It's kind of smaller compared to other cars, like you can see here. I don't know, I feel like it should be a lot bigger. But I think this casting's really cool. It is the 2-door, so it's smaller. I think they make 2-door and 4-door. I always like Matchbox because they make great looking castings. Let's move on to the next one. So here is one of my actual dream cars, is the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. So it's called the 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia, but this is the Quadrifoglio model. Let me show you this. So I own this one in red. I bought this a while ago. I don't know why. I used black Sharpie for the front lip. Probably gonna get rid of that, but I colored in the vents on the sides. It's pretty cool because they don't actually paint it in the other ones. But yeah, I was excited to find this in the store. So yeah, let's open it up. Wow, this car looks so nice and white. Like, just look at this. It like shows the body lines really well. Wow, I like this a lot more than I thought I would. But yeah, so you can kind of see they don't have the paint in the grills, which I think that kind of shows off more of the design of the car and side vents. But they do include the little rear wing, which is cool. But yeah, let's see. It seems like the front vents are not as carved in on the other one, but yeah, here's this. Really cool. And now on to the next one, the 2003 Mini Cooper S. Okay, wow, I like this casting a lot. So it has this little, I guess, ducktail, that might be what it's called. It looks really nice. It doesn't have painted taillights, but I think that's fine. 2-door, I'm pretty sure this model's only a 2-door. It has a little hood scoop, which is really cool. Front grills. It's a very nice looking car. Let's move on to the last one, and that is the Polaris Slingshot. Now, I actually have a red Polaris Slingshot that I got a while ago, which I really like. Let's open this up. Okay, so here it is. I don't know if I like the red rims. It might be too much. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like the red one a little better. Oh, it looks like the interior piece in the newer one is black and this one's gray. It's not too like noticeable, but then on the older one, this lower base piece is black, and on this one it's gray. I kind of like how the old one is. The old one has more of a tinted window too than the newer one, so there's a few changes on these, but still really cool looking. But yeah, that's gonna conclude it for all the cars today. I'll just set them up so you can all see them. Make sure to like so other people can see it. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.